na to dito. Good morning mga mamshis, popshis, friends, lovers, and countrymen. Hello again. Medyo late na yung upload ko. It was yesterday. You know, parang the day before that, ako ay nasa wedding. So, nakita niyo naman yung uploads, di ba? Ninang ako. And then, the day after that, we have to go to my aunt's wake, to the wake of my aunt. Si aunt is my father's younger sister. Okay, so, medyo very close din sila sa amin. And she's the only sister na meron dad ko na, papa ko na buhay pa sana. Kaso, well, that's life. Kailangan natin goodbye sa earth. No? But,
Araneo.
so anyway, so nag-travel kami, another 5 hours travel time. Napakalayo. Hindi lang yung traffic, but yung distance talaga, malayo po. So it's like we have to travel from Bulacan to Manila and Manila to Antipolo. And yung distance na malayo, dagdagan pa ng traffic. But this time, this is early, talaga, very early morning. Around 5:30. Kaya medyo walang traffic yan. Pabalik na kami yan actually. Wala akong tulog. Kasi I stayed up all night at least to pay respect naman sa aking tita. So wala akong tulog niyan. And yes, after namin dun sa Patay po, dun sa wake, kita kami mga kapatid ko nung gabi na yun. And we took a little side trip sa Paddy's Point. Oh, by the way, this area is around Kalayaan. Yeah, maybe Kalayaan na ito. This is in Ateneo.
Wala yung igit.
Sa Ateneo po yan. So, that's in Quezon City. So, travel kami dyan. Ano na lang kami na taxi. And this part here is in Quezon City din, pero ano na to, banda ng Amparo, no? Amparo. So that's the new MRT 7 that's leading to San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Yan. So maganda yung mga projects. Well, anyway, tita, rest in peace. And these are my siblings. My brother and his family. And that's my sister-in-law. Yan yung aming side trip sa Paddy's Point. Thank you for watching, people. Thank you very much. So, this is it. Bye. See you next time. Maiksi lang ang aking chika. Bye po. Bye.